Amazing. It's exactly what I asked for, and comparing that to the photo, it's exactly what I was looking for, so thank you. Multiple visits to different hairdressers promising this look, which I kept showing people a photo of something similar to this, and toner after toner, it still doesn't work. And yeah, finally, this is the first time I've actually found a hairdresser that has given me what I've asked. If you can transform other people's hair like you have, I was like, you could definitely do some magic with mine, because it was just color correction, because there's multiple different color or different levels in my hair. So to get an even color like that and to lift it to that color from how dark it was in one setting is pretty magic. I'm surprised you kept such good condition in the hair. It's amazing, because most people that lift to such a high level, it looks so broken and damaged, but it actually looks healthier. I always like to see before and after photos from hairdressers, because they can always tell you, they can give you what you're after, but without proof of it, that it's really hard to prove. You don't know what people have done with their hair, as I'd used box dyes and I'd used, like I've been to hairdressers, so there's so many different combinations that had gone on with my hair. So for you to make it even tone like this and one color is pretty magic, yeah. So thank you.